Good morning, guys. Let me show you guys what we just finished wrapping up. Trying out this new Rode mic with the iPhone. It's a great morning today. So one thing that we get asked the most is if paint protection film actually changes the look of the car. It doesn't. If anything, it actually adds more gloss to the paint. So I'm going to flip the camera and show you guys the areas that we did put the paint protection film on, so you can see it's not really that much of a difference. Again, it just adds more contrast and more gloss to it. Let's see. So here's the car. We did the front end, the full front. So we did this fender. I wrapped it as much as I can, all the way up to here. Took this piece off, wrapped it here. And this doesn't have paint protection film on, so look. Like I said, it actually has more gloss to it. The hood, we did the wrapped edges underneath, so everything is wrapped underneath. Bumper. We applied ceramic coating on the trim. We did the headlights, mirrors, fenders again. Again, you can't really tell the difference between what's paint and what's film. Beautiful orange, really brightens up the orange texture. Oh yeah, I forgot, we did the little pillars on the side and the cap top. Customer is ready to pick it up, waiting in the office, signing out.